Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from HadiTech back with a brand new video. Now in today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the best ways to actually drive traffic, backlinks and customers to your website, or I should say your web app. Now if you own a business, a SaaS business, or you own an app and your app is on the Play Store, the App Store, whatever the case might be, and you want to drive real users, real customers to your app, or like I said before, your business, then you can use these on directories, or I should say SaaS business directories, to drive traffic to your business or project. Now in this video we're going to be talking or handpicking just 3, but I will give you the list of 12 websites that you can just go ahead and list your web app, like I said before, or app on them, and start getting traffic right away and start getting customers as well. Now the first website is called AppSumo, and if I'm not mistaken, they do take a commission once you launch your product on their website. But I mean, it's a good trade-off because literally this website is used by big brands. So I'm talking about like Facebook, Google, and major brands that you and I know. So a lot of brands use AppSumo to drive traffic to their web apps and SaaS web tools as well. So in order to launch your project on AppSumo, all you need to do is click on Start Your Application, and it will take you to the submission form. Now you gotta choose, you either wanna list a software or a skill. Software includes a SaaS web app or downloadable tool with a marketing website, or a skill, which is a package, the AI assistant skill, as which is in a zipped bundle. But I do think that most of y'all are interested in the software, so click on software, and in here you gotta put in your website or your SaaS website in here, or the website that you are hosting your application on, etc. So you go ahead and paste it in here and click on continue. Now the system will just verify your website, and that will take just a couple seconds, as you saw. And if there are some issues, they will flag them in here, but they will actually review that manually. So they will get back at you, tell you to fix some of the issues if there are any. Of course, this one is just a random website that I picked. It's not really a SaaS or web app tool. It's just for the sake of this video. But in your case, it should not have any issues. It should not really flag any issues, so it can go through submission form flawlessly. Okay, but it will actually be reviewed manually by somebody or an admin, and they will get back at you later on. The second one is actually well known. It's called Product Hunt, and it's just very straightforward as well. And a lot of big brand and even medium and even small SaaS businesses use this website to actually put them on the map. Like you could really get a lot of real interactive customers, users from this website. Now, in order to use Product Hunt, so go ahead and create your account on producthunt.com and click on launch a product. But before we do that, I just wanted to show you the product that I launched before, in order to just let you know that this website actually drive traffic and drive real users. So I published my recipes websites, okay, on Product Hunt, and a lot of people were commenting on it. A lot of people found it, quite helpful, quite engaging. A lot of people fell in love with the whole design of the website, the amount of content on the website, and as you can see, all of these are just basically now users and people that can go back and forth to use my website. So this is just an indicative of how good Product Hunt is, guys. So you can go ahead and use it for yourselves. Now let's just go back and show you how to submit or launch your product on Product Hunt. Click on submit, launch your product. Okay, put in your link to the product, web app, whatever the case might be in here. Click on get started. Okay, and yeah, the AI assistant will just go ahead and crawl your website, and you just gotta fill in these information right here. So the name of the launch, the tagline right here, the links, of course, to your social media, your X, the description of the website, the launch tags, and you can write your own first comments. Then yeah, you should go through all of these. You can get on post the images and media, so screenshots of your front end of the website, the back end, those type of stuff. The makers, you gotta tag, a couple makers. You can tag yourself, or you can leave it empty as is. And in the extras tab, you have to select if it is free or paid, or just if it has a paid subscription. So once you fill in all these details, you can go to the launch checklist and check everything, and you can just click on launch, and you can launch your project on Product Hunt. And that's just how easy it is to use Product Hunt, like I said before. And I've used it before in order to launch multiple of my businesses online. And like I mentioned and showed you just earlier, there is like a lot of people that will interact with your project if they are interested in it. Now the next one on the list is actually Dev Hunt, and it is actually so similar to Product Hunt, and you can advertise on this website for free, and it has a great DR and PR ranking on Google. So like I said, all these websites that I'm talking about will give you backlinks. Do follow backlinks, and they will drive traffic to your website or app, like I mentioned before. Now all you need to do is just click on submit your dev tool right here, create your own account, then click on submit your dev tool again, click on new tool, and you can just go ahead and fill in your tool details right here. You gotta put in the logo, the name, description, the tiers if you have any tiers, the medias, and the launch date. You can select it right here. There are a couple days that you can select from, so each day will be marked with the respective pricing. So yeah, select one of them and you can just launch your tool right away. Of course, like I said before, some of them are paid, some of them are not, so I'm just gonna give you the whole roster and you can choose from these websites. Now this will be the last one that I will cover, because these are the main websites that I actually think that they will have the most impact on your business. So they will either make you money, drive your users, or they don't. The rest, they are cool, but these are the major ones that everybody or every person actually uses if they are trying to launch their startup. So the next one is called betalist.com. The link will be in the description down below as usual. Click on submit startup, and in here you gotta sign in with your email or sign in with your ex. Okay, once you are in beta list, I had actually posted a SaaS website that I launched years ago, which is called Fast AI, that runs on ChatGPT model, and it uses some quite refined prompts in order to get the best results. And this is the listing actually on beta list. As you can see, I got a backlink, and it was driving me a lot of customers from beta list as well. Now if you are interested in submitting your SaaS and web app application right here, click on submit new startup and put in your website right here. Of course, let's just put this one right here, click on continue. It's not really a web app nor a SaaS tool website, but we'll just show you the process of filling the required details. Then click on continue, just like this, and in here you can obviously start tweaking the details of your website. So of course you're gonna tweak or add the icon, the name, the website, the description, and the video URL if you got a video URL explaining the project that you have, of course. Then click on details, and here I cannot move on, so let's just put in a logo just to actually move on. Okay, let's just put that one here, click on details. Then the next, it should tell you to choose the topics, of course. Then you got the promotional details in the box right here. So if you got coupons, you can put in coupons. If you got a discount link, then put it in here as well. Then click on medias, and you should upload images of your website. So click on add images, take screenshots of the front end, the back end, and the features on your websites. Okay, then click on theme or makers. It should take you to the team. You can add multiple makers. If you are a co-partner with somebody, you can add them right here. In this case, I do own everything, and I did everything by myself, so we'll just skip that and click on finish. And in here they will tell you if you are looking for anything, like if you are looking for some investors looking to get funded, you can select this one. You are looking for exclusive deals for early stage startups, you can select that one. If you are not interested in any of these, then click on choose package. Okay, and you can choose one of these packages. You got the premium, standard, and light. I would just go for the lights, okay, and launch your project. That's how easy it is. And yeah, just like this, guys, this is how you can publish your web app SaaS tool on these platforms, guys, and trust me, they will drive you ton of traffic. Now the full list will be in the description down below, so I just picked 4 that I actually had experience with, and I know that will boost your traffic and they will get you customers as well. Alrighty guys, we have reached the end of our video. If you were interested in this video and got some valuable information, then please leave a like, comment down below, because we definitely need that, and subscribe to the channel because we are trying to push a lot of helpful content on this channel. So yeah, stay tuned. And if you got any questions regarding this video or any other video that we put on this channel, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below as well. You can reach out to me via my social media as well, Instagram or my personal email. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.